do you listen to voice memos on the Apple Watch, on the iPhone as well? Let me explain the whole situation about the voice memos, right? So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, you obviously have the voice recordings app on the watch as well as on the iPhone. You can record some stuff on the watch, play it back on the watch. You can record something on the iPhone and play it back on the iPhone. The thing you should know is when you want to move one recording to another device. Generally, I would go to the settings of the iPhone, tap on the profile, and at the top, proceed to iCloud and check out the apps synchronization. And I would make sure that the voice memos is synced, that it's enabled, right? And all of my devices can synchronize their voice recordings. So that would mean that the recordings made on the watch will automatically be synchronized to the iPhone. In their app, I can go to the folders and just check out the Apple Watch folder and everything will be right here. So it just gets the job done. It works well and you'll be able to see those from the watch automatically appear on the iPhone. That gets the job done, no problem. The only issue could be that if you want to move voice recordings from the iPhone to the watch, that is a bit more complicated because it doesn't really just get synced that direction. So instead, I like to use this workaround method, which I mentioned in a couple of my videos earlier, and it's just by sharing your voice recordings over messages to yourself, right? So you use iMessage, you can set up a conversation with yourself, so you're not sending it to anyone else, and you can send the voice memo, share it directly from the app through the messages to yourself, and it will be synced. It will appear inside of the Apple Watch as well. In there, you can play it back, listen to it, whatever. It gets the job done. So that is how it works. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.